Ako si Martin Rivera, greeting you on this very, very special day. Happy birthday.
Sana, nag-enjoy ka ngayon, and I hope you get all the blessings that you have been asking for. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
Happy birthday.
Hello sis, happy birthday. We wish you all the best. Pasensya na hindi na kami makakasama sa video call nyo dahil papunta kami ng heart center ngayon. Okay, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Tiain.
Bye.
Love you.
Yin. Oh, birthday mo na. First time mo mag-celebrate ng birthday dyan. Saan ka mag-birthday dyan? Kina Ian, kina Aryan. Oh, basta enjoy your birthday at saka your stay there. Mag-ingat ka dyan palagi. At regards sa kina Ian, sa family, and kina Ayay. Namisa na-meet ko si na LA last week. Pag may nakasalubong kong bata, sabi ko parang kawig ni Zoe. Pagkita ko si Zoe nga, anak ko, nakita kami na LA doon sa Alwada. Wala kasing pasok si Zoe dahil online lang daw. Namimiss ka na niya. Uwi ka na raw, balik ka na rito. Kailan babalik mo rito? Sana makita naman tayo. Oh. Treat kita sa birthday mo. Magkita tayo. Basta pagbalik mo rito, sabihin mag-text ka lang. Happy birthday! Ingat ka ba? Malamig, sobrang lamig na dyan. Nag-i-snow na. Bye! Miss you! Eto si Val, oh.
Hello. Happy birthday.
Tawa pa. No, sige, ingat.
Surprise! Happy birthday, sister! I'm really so happy that you're doing great and having a grand time and spending quality time with your family and Apos. To Ian, Abby, Lou, Van, Yai, and James, and to the Apos, thank you for taking good care of your mom and your grandma. You're so lucky to have her with you, to see you, for her to see you grow up. So keep enjoying life. As they say, life is short. Be happy, stay healthy, and enjoy spending time with each other. Please take care of each other. Hope to see you sometime soon. Okay? Happy birthday again. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ayin! Kumusta na?
Happy birthday. Hope you have enjoyed one. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Ayin!
Enjoy your birthday.
Alam mo, nakalimutan ko, no? Lahat ng birthday ninyo, alam ko, no? Happy birthday. Ano handa mo? Tagal ka na dyan? Kailan ka uwi? Matagal pa. Iyak ka na, no? Oh, sige na. Happy birthday ulit, ha? Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Mars! Aileen, wish you happy birthday. At saka, more blessings and happiness. Happy birthday, enjoy your special day. All the very best. Sana, mapagpuan mo na siya. Bye! Miss you. Love you. Happy birthday. Bye!
Happy 18th birthday, Titain. Dalaga ka na. Pero wag mo nang paligaw. Enjoy.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Enjoy your day!
Enjoy your day.
Take care! See you soon!
Take care. See you soon.
Flying kiss!
Happy birthday, Auntie Ayin! We love you!
Hello, Ninang Ayin. Happy blessed birthday. I wish that may our Lord Jesus Christ grant all your heart's desire and always praying for your good health po. We miss you and hope to see you soon po. God bless po, Ninang. Ingat po palagi.
Hello po, Tita Ayin. Happy birthday po. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Happy birthday. Happy birthday po. birthday, tita. From Cavite with love.
Hey, Mother. I miss you. Uwi ka na.
Auntie Ayun, happy birthday. Ano ba? Forever 21. So, ang age naman is just a number. Ikaw naman ay laging youthful tingnan. So, stay healthy. Stay beautiful inside out. Thank you for all the support. Thank you for being a dependable and reliable auntie and doctor. So, never kong makakalimutan. Nung nagkabonggang dengue ako, na hindi ako na-confine, doon lang sa bahay ni Mama Ching. So, hindi ko makakalimutan yung dedication nyo to help me recover fast. Kasi ano yun talagang anxious moments talaga yun. So, thank you, Auntie Ai. Nakakamiss yung presence mo dito. Hope to see you soon. Enjoy your day kasi you deserve it. Have a blast. Cheers!
Happy birthday po, Ninang. Wishing you good health and more birthdays to come po. Mag-iingat po kayo palagi and stay safe po.
Happy birthday po, Auntie Ayin. More birthdays to come and more blessings to come po. Ingat ka po palagi dyan sa Canada and we wish you all the best. Stay pretty po.
Happy birthday po, Auntie Ayin. Wish you all the best in life. Enjoy your day po. Ingat po palagi.
Auntie, happy birthday po. I wish you good health at sana po nag-enjoy kayo dyan. Looking forward po na makabalik kayo ulit dito and I'll see you soon. Miss you. Love ya!
Happy birthday, Mother. I wish you a good health and always pretty. And sana makabalik ka na dito ulit sa UAE para mag-checkahan ulit tayo. I miss you, Mother.
Hello! Hi, Doktora! Happy birthday to you, my friend, my neighbor. I always pray for your good health and happiness. Sana kailan kaya tayo magkikita ulit. Enjoy your birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday, Tita! God bless you!
Love you!
See you soon! Bye!
Happy birthday, Tita. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Miss ka na namin, uwi ka na. Love you.
Hi, tita! Happy birthday po!
We miss you here and we hope na ma-enjoy mo yung araw na to. Wish you all the best. We love you, Mama!
God bless po, tita!
Hello, Doc. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best and thank you for always supporting us. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Doktora! God bless you more and thank you sa mga free consultation. And we wish you all the best in life.
Hi, Mother. Kamusta ka dyan? I miss you. Happy birthday and God bless.
Lucifer's still on her.
Hi, Doktora. Happy birthday. I wish you all the best. And stay good health and happiness.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Doktora Mama Kati. I love you.
Happy birthday, ma!
Happy birthday
Wow.
po, Ma. Yan lang, kailangan sa malamitan ka.
Happy birthday, wishing you good health, tsaka, love lives.
Love life and good health.
And financial independence.
Yeah, for the win.
Okay. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po, Ma.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Ma!
Happy birthday!
Love you. Hope you're having fun here.
Love you, Grameen. I wish you live for a long time. Bye. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Grameen. I love you. Bye. Happy birthday, Mother. Miss ka na namin. We'll see you soon.
Class?
Love you.
Happy birthday. Nice ba tayo dyan?
Si Lavin and Sven nasaan? Hindi mo lang namin nakilala. Namin sa akin na simbahan, ha? Louder! What are we gonna do? Here, look.
Happy birthday, Mama!
Say to Mama. Happy birthday, Mama. Happy birthday.
Happy Mama!